Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing virtual contest, weekly contest 476. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. I'm obviously many contests behind from my travels, but as you can see, I'm back in New York, so let's get to it. Weekly contest 476, let's go. Let me know in the comments how you did. I mean, it's been a while, but it's okay. We're having fun, and hope everything's good. Let's go. Am I ready? I don't know if I'm ready anymore because I feel like I haven't done this in so long. Maybe my muscles are dead and stuff. Okay, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Where's the... Okay. I forgot where it was. A plus B. Too lazy, right? Distinct index. Okay, fine. Okay, now, okay, just sort it out. You don't have to be that lazy. So the biggest number plus the second biggest number minus the smallest number, right? Was it 8, 11? Okay. Alright, not that bad. I was going to write 3 for loops, but pretty, it's okay too. A and B. Any substring return a minimal possible length after performing it. Can you prove that it don't? Because you could just use. I think you could just do all of it, right? Something like this. You take the biggest one and then you're always going to have some leftovers, right? Hopefully that's right. Okay. Wasn't quite sure, but relatively sure. Okay. All zeros. What's that mean? Okay. Oh, number of. Okay. This is a weird one. 10 to the 15 is pretty big. So 10 doesn't matter, but 11. So we're gonna want to end, and we just by definition just removing all the numbers that have a 0 in it, right? So what does that mean? It's just like a base 9 thing. I don't know this one. Maybe. It's okay because 20 you remove 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 100 obviously, but then also 101, 102. Remove all those. But you guys should do inclusion, exclusion, right? So is it whatchamacallit? I'm trying to do it without not prefix, DP. Was it digit DP? Something like that. Mostly because I'm lazy. Is that the way to do it? It's just count the number of numbers that don't have any zeros in them. That is just going to be base 9, right? So then you get to a binary search maybe. Base 9. It's okay, because I mean it is kind of, but it's not quite. Under 100 you have base 9 is going to be 9 times 9. I think there's a binary search thing, but Yeah, right. So it's just what's base 9, right? So you have a number that's in base 9, right? So okay, so x is in base 9. You want to convert it to base 10, right? Yeah, okay, that sounds right. I'm trying to think whether there's an easy way to do it, but I think we'll just do it. But no, let's see. What am I doing? So let's just say it's 999. 99 in base 9. That means that there are 81 numbers then, right? So 81. Okay, so then 81 we can. Okay, I see. So let's say we have 81, then we have right, and then now we want to so we have 81, then we have 9. Yeah, I mean it's kind of right, but it's also not right because it's not going from 0. We just have to re-index them, right? But so instead of skipping, no, is it though? Yeah, this is annoying. Probably is digit DP and I'm just being lazy. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, to the index. Prefix. Is that it? Maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay. And then you just return 1. Right. Otherwise, if prefix f of 1 true, right? No. It's gonna be false for from 1 to right, okay, we can multiply, I know, but I like writing it this way. True, right? Otherwise, then now yeah, we can optimize it. I guess it's not so bad. If this is right, it's not so bad. 0 true, maybe. Sn of... Why? What is index? Oh, index is this is not n, it is length of Sn. Okay, so this 3 is right, this 10 is not so right, which is not so good. Okay, so then because here the prefix is 1, right? Because we don't have to do the whole string, that's why. Okay. Does that mean we can do a leading 0 on the prefix? No, it just means that, okay, fine, we have to write it explicitly. And this includes 0 actually. We just have to do another thing, I think. Yeah, okay, fine. So this prefix, it cannot be whatever, right? So how do I write this? No, this is always going to be false. We have a leading 0. So this is if you can have a 0, right? Now this is prefix. Because you have to minus 1. I think that's fine. Because you have to minus the actual 0. Am I confident about this? Not really. We should test more than this. Right? I don't know if this is the right answer. It should be the right answer because we skipped no, 11 is right. No, this is just wrong, right? I don't know. I compared the input with the output by accident instead of comparing it here. 10 is wrong, right? So actually, let me rethink this. So good thing I didn't submit. I just misread this. Okay, 10 returns 11 is definitely not right. We definitely double count, or we definitely counted 0, but we might also have counted the double 0. So yeah, so if 0, maybe this. Okay, so this looks good. Now I can remove this. 11 should give me one more number though. Wait, is it good? No, it's not. What am I double counting? So you have 0, 0, and then you have 1. So this is prefix and it is 0. It goes oh, it goes here for some reason. Well, not for some reason. It's just that it assumes that it is not 0, right? So if okay, and 11 should be right. All right, let's do 100. I don't know if that's right. I think that's wrong though. Maybe that's right actually. What we can do though is just do A small answer should be okay. So A19, 99, 929. I mean, this is clearly not 2. Oh, I didn't do the inclusive part, so okay. Okay, so 9310, so this is right. Let's do one more big number. 100,000. This is right, we're submitting. Okay, looks okay. We're gonna submit. I guess I should have done that to begin with. I was taking too much time trying to play around with other ideas. Okay. Count stable subarrays. How am I doing on time? By now they should remove all the cheaters, right? Wow, people did Q3 fast, but okay. People did Q4 fast too. So okay, let's take a look. You have nums, subarray of nums equals stable if there's no inversion. Okay, you have 2D queries. Okay. Number of stable subarrays that are inside it. Okay. So 0, 1. 1, 2. Huh. I don't know if I know how to do this one off my head. No inversions, meaning that this is sorted, right? So then now what? I feel like this is like a weird segment tree thing. Well, it's not that it's sorted, but it's just the runs, right? So you have to kind of keep the streak of the longest things and then sum them up kind of thing, right? So it's basically, yeah. And you have to subtract them in like a prefix some kind of way, maybe? That sounds maybe right. Right? This 3 is 1, this is 1, so this is 2. 1 and 2, okay, so this is gonna be 1, this is 2. Which is fine, so then that returns 3. 0, 2, this is gonna be 1, 1, 2, which is gonna be 4. The thing is that it may cut off, so you have to kind of handle that. Whew. Alright, I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. Man, I ate too much burrito beans. Okay, maybe I could tough it out. Let's see. This may be a little bit of a weird video, but okay. Okay, I think I know how to do it. But okay, that's at least this makes sense that people did it so quickly. Yeah, okay. It doesn't matter. What? That's what I expect. Though this should be equal, so okay. 1, 1, 2, right? And now we just do a prefix sum, right? And then now, yeah. Is it? It's not quite right, I don't think. I mean, it is kind of right, but it's not. Maybe this is just like a default segment tree problem, but which I don't know it. Because you have to get cut off. That's the thing, right? You can't just do. I mean, this will. I think this actually works for the input, but I think this is wrong because we'll do a case right now. I don't know why my computer's a little laggy right now, actually. Yeah, so this is actually right for the input, but I think this is wrong. You have something like, and then maybe just, I don't know, last one, right? And it should be 1, but I may return 5 or something, right? How do I get rid of it? Right, this I'm going to use the rest from time, and I'll think in my head. Because I have to figure out. Yeah, I don't know. You have to figure out how long it extends, right? Sorry, I'm still talking into it. Let's see. Let me take a look at constraints real quick. Okay, double checking constraints. Because I have to know when it ends, when it starts. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's that hard. I think it's just have to be bookkeeping, keeping track of the left side and the right side, right? So then now it's just about figuring the sum of the things, right? Because if it's 5, or maybe just doing the math, maybe. No, because you don't know how long it goes, so you do have to keep track of when the run ends, right? Yeah, I mean, it's just annoying. It's not a big deal. Okay. Like that. But we actually want to know when it ends, not the start. But for now, we are good. Well, I guess when it ends, we just do it backwards. I guess that's fine. We could even do smaller than that actually. We can just do a segment thing, right? Maybe something like that. Oh yeah, and then this should be n, I suppose. Is it inclusive? I guess so. So n-1, fine. Okay, right. But then now we can do a binary search on it. No, that's the index. That's a sig RL. Something like this, right? Let's see. It should give me 0 hopefully, but it's not. Why? What is RL? Because RL. It's out bounds. It's out bounds, then. Oh yeah, then R is fine. Something like that, so still all right. But then now we have to add back this thing, right? Is this even right? No, it's right for the first two. I mean, okay. And then now we have to add back. So okay. So it's here. So this looks at the, so then now it's the previous one, right? So then it's RL. This one doesn't matter anymore. And then now it is going to be the actual L. So then length is equal to actual L minus this thing, right? And then just something like that, right? Something like that. Maybe not. This goes up, so it's 0. So then this is gonna be 4. We have 4, 4. So then, oh, it's this plus 1 is the length. Almost clicked on submit by accident. Okay, but now this is wrong. Why is that wrong? Oh, because this matches exactly, I think. So then it doesn't need it anymore. This is 1, 2. So this is this. It matches exactly. Then if for some reason, I guess it just takes 3. Okay, let's just look at. Let's print this out real quick. Alright, so it's 0, 4. Oh, cause no. This is not the wrong one. This is the wrong one. Okay, so then now it finds 1, 2, fits perfectly, but now 0, 0, 0. Okay, but then why? We got like double negative things going on. L is 2, L is 1. This is wrong anyway then, right? Because this should be, we assume this is going to be this. Okay, so now this is good. I don't know how I just got lucky with the other one. It's not great though. Alright, I'm not super confident honestly, but I am ready to YOLO. I think this is roughly the right idea. Maybe it's wrong. I mean, there's a lot of easy wrong mistakes I can make. Wouldn't be surprised at all. But yeah. But well, I'm ready to give in. This is weird. Why do I have 3, 3 then? I mean, yeah. I mean, this is what I was trying to do with my case, but I suppose I didn't check it fully enough. Because if I did, then I would have seen that this is wrong. This is very wrong. Right? Why is this very wrong? I mean, the idea is right, but my implementation is a little bit off. Clearly, I think we're on the right track. It should be able to fix it. But okay. So it is not. So what happens? So it's definitely this part, right? So okay, so it tries to search for 2 on 0, 3, it goes out of bounds, so then now -1, so it's this. Oh, because I didn't bound it on the right side, I bound it on the left side. It could also be, the length is just wrong because this is going to be min of this and R. Okay. If that's the case, that's an easy fix. I mean, I already fixed it, right? Hopefully that's it. And no more silly mistakes. That's a pretty bad. Okay, well, negative numbers is also pretty bad, but also easy to debug in theory, but that's still not great. Okay. 1, 1 is -2. This is 0 base, okay. Why? Is it this thing? Oops. Let's see. 1, 1, 0, 2. Right? How do I get -2? Do I already have negative here? From the previous part? Okay, so this is actually wrong on this part. Is it going to that part? Why is it going to that part? 1, 1, 0, 2 should go out of bounds, right? So this should not hit this. Do I not reset current? No, I reset current. Huh? Yeah, this is out of bounds, which I actually expect, right? Maybe. I missed something. But why? I don't get it. Oh, I don't get why this is doing this. Oh, L is 1? Isn't the line, the segment? shouldn't this be only one segment? Oh, this is a 10. I misread this entire time. But okay. So then now it goes here. Now we're searching for 1 is here. Okay. I mean, this is the same thing as this, but on this part, I think, right? So okay. So that's basically why. So we're inside a segment, which I think this handle, no. 1 goes here. Alright, whatever, just wait, like, that should be enough, right? Looks okay, enough. Hopefully. Okay, so a lot of silly mistakes, but the idea was right. I mean, I only really needed to add this check and this check and this check, I suppose. I think I already had this one, but yeah. I mean, not too bad, not too good, but I think the idea was fine. I needed to use the bathroom, so yeah. Needed to use the restroom. Alright, let's do a quick retro. What was Q1? Q1, oh yeah, I was a little bit lazy, but just thought about it. I was gonna write some for loops, but then it was a lot of typing for for loops, and then sorting it was okay. I don't know why this loading is taking so long, but yeah. Alright, and you know, just greedy. Come on, Larry. Q2, yeah, I mean, this one I can't, because you can do, I think there's a proof such that the extra stuff has to be, well, there are only 2 cases, right? Let's say you have more A's than B's. Without loss of generality, you can change it back, right? You change it to the other one. You have more A's than B's. Then the extra A's will have to be either on the edge, in which you have 1 substring, or it's in the middle, in which you have 2 substrings on the left and the right of the extra ones. And this is what you get, right? So that's basically the proof if you really want it. But this one, I mean, I don't know. This is not so bad. I wonder what other ways people did with this one. But I mean, just prefix. I mean, digit DP. And this one, I was just messy. I do wonder if there's a cleaner way of think about it, but it's just segment stuff. Oh, there's prefix. I mean, prefix tree, but I mean, there's this, but it's not even necessary because everything's static. So maybe not the way they wrote it. Actually, maybe I'm wrong. But a lot of people did the binary index tree away, huh? So maybe this is a standard thing that people knows. I don't know. Which kind of makes sense. Maybe not. I don't know. But and then Q3. Which one's Q3 again? I don't know. Some people just write too much random crap on their thing. I mean, this is basically, I mean, I did it another way, but yeah. Well, I think that was actually the way that I did it. And yeah, okay. Anyway, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Respectable for a first day back. Yeah. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.